Hello and welcome to Ado with Sir Sultan. Have you ever wondered why some objects float in water while others sink? The answer is found in an important concept of science called density. So, what is density? Density is the mass of a substance divided by its volume. In simple words, density tells us how tightly the particles of a substance are packed together. The formula of density is very easy. Density equals mass divided by volume. If the particles of a substance are packed very closely, the substance has high density. If the particles are spread out and far apart, the substance has low density. This property is very important in science, because it helps us compare materials and understand their behavior. For example, take a piece of iron and a piece of wood of the same size. The iron is heavier because it has more mass in the same volume. This means iron is denser than wood. That is why iron sinks in water, but wood floats. Another simple example is oil and water. When you pour oil into water, it always floats on the top. Why? Because oil is less dense than water. Density plays an important role in our daily life. It is used in shipbuilding, in air balloons, and even in identifying unknown substances in science experiments. So, to sum up, density is mass divided by volume. It tells us how tightly particles are packed. Objects with higher density sink, and objects with lower density float. Do you want to know how we can calculate the density of any object in a simple way? To find out, Ado with Sir Sultan.